Have you forgotten the password to your own Windows computer? Let me show you a safe method you can use to regain access only on a device you own or are authorized to work on. Start by holding the Shift key, click the power icon, and choose Restart. Select Restart anyway. Once your PC enters recovery mode, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type Notepad and press Enter. Inside Notepad, go to File, then Open. Now navigate to This PC, Local Disk C, Windows, System 32. At the bottom, change the file type to All Files. Locate the file named Seth. Right-click it, and rename it as shown in the video. Next, find the file named CMD and rename it to Seth. Close everything and click Continue to restart normally. On the login screen, press the Shift key 5 times. Since this is your authorized device, Command Prompt will open. Now type Net Local Group Administrators. This displays the accounts on your system. To reset the password for your own user account, type Net User your account name. Replace your account name with your actual username followed by the asterisk sign. Then hit Enter. Enter a new password when prompted, or leave it blank to clear the password. Close the window and log in with your new password. Do not use it on devices you do not own. If this helped you regain access, like the video and subscribe for more responsible tech tips.